Say hi, guys.
Hi guys, I love you. I miss you. I'm on the beach.
Where are you now?
I'm on the beach.
What you will do today?
Now, I'll play sketches right here.
Okay, you will play sketches right here. Okay, let's go.
Bye.
Come here, hold my hand.
Okay, and now let's play sketches here.
Walking kami kasi wala pa si Baba, nasa work pa. Kami lang ni Eva nag-walking. Say hi, everyone.
Give me, I want to say hi. Hi, Abby.
Say kami ni Eva.
Yes. Hello.
Pero snacks muna.
Yes. Hello.
Hi, everyone. Say hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone.
Eva, don't leave me.
Look, my Calippi Daddy. It's wet because why? Because why?
Why?
Because why?
Why?
Because why? Because why?
Why?
Because
What
Because
happened?
why?
Tell.
Because
Tell na, tell. Why your kilikili is wet? Why it's wet? Why your kilikili is wet?
Because of the water.
Ah, because of the water in the faucet. Okay. Bye-bye. Good job.
I look sad.
I know. Enough na. I keep it already. Now it's time to exercise. So your bilbil Will not become big.
Look him!
Yeah.
He's not falling.
Yeah.
He's riding slowly.
Yes.
He's not ready. He
Mm-mm.
like that, he will fall down.
I know.
Over there?
No, no, don't go there.
No, mommy.
What happened? What you did?
Remove.
Okay. Kalas tired na?
No, remove.
Okay.
Remove the go there and play.
No, we need pants. Uh-oh. 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 Tung, tung, tuka, tuka, tuka. Say hi, everyone. Mommy. Shh. Hi, everyone. Kalas. What is that? I don't know that music.
Mommy, remove.
Okay, one more round and then kalas we finish. Are you tired? Kalas na?
No, remove that.
Remove now? Okay, one more and then we will go.
No, I will go this way.
No, it's so far there. It's so far.
Mama.
Hmm. Oh, so windy. One more ride. And what happened? Why you open? One more ride. Okay, go. Take care, please. Okay. You come back? Uh-oh. You're so fast. Good job. Uh-oh. Good job.
Mommy, I want to go there play.
Where?
Here.
Where?
This.
Okay, but watch out with the bicycle. Okay? Bicycle, they are very fast. Because they're very good. Come on, go.
Mommy, there.
It's okay, don't be scared.
Mommy, there.
You can go, but come back alatul. Alatul.
Mommy,
Kalas na?
remove
Okay.
that.
Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.
I'll go please sliding.
Sliding. No, enough na. Baba is coming home. Okay, say bye first. Come on. You wanna go sliding? Okay, say bye.
Hi. Hello. I miss you. I'll go sliding.
Tell story first. One time only. You know, you tell story very nice. I like how you tell story.
The people is swimming on the pool, and then there is shark, and then the shark eat the people.
Oh no.
And then they go run, and then they go, and then there's a witch, and then they go in the sand and get the cat. Look.
What happened? Yeah, they got doggy. No, don't go there. No, no, no. Because the doggy has no tie. Maybe he will bite you.
That is cute, yeah?
Yeah, like you. You are cute like a doggy. You are cute like a doggy.
Kuka.
Let me see how cute you are. Hey, don't talk like Don't touch the cat. Sleeping. Okay. One more time.
What is cute with her?
No. She's big already. She will go home now.
Why?
Hmm?
Why?
Do you know why? I don't know.
Why don't we go home?
Hmm?
Why don't we go home?
Okay, go and come back.
Now,
Go say hi. Watch out, ah. Watch out the bicycle, ah. Hello. You said you wanna say hi. Go.
hello.
Okay, go there.
Hello. Hi.
Okay, go. Ila, but come back, okay? Okay, come na. Enough na, enough. Tusok harang. Pasaway ka gidlabs kuray. Tusok harang. Walang harang, walang tusok.
Oh, you're laughing. Show me.
Tita Kuray.
Why?
Say Tita Kuray.
Why, Mama?
Say hi, Tita.
See why you to come. Mama, I will go slide.
Hmm?
I will go slide.
You want?
Yeah.
Say hi, Tita Kuray.
Hi, Tita Kuray.
How are you?
How are you? I love your place, Tita. We are on the seaside.
Say shout out.
Shout out.
Tita Kuray.
Tita Kuray.
I cannot see your face. Sa ano sa diri lang malapit sa ano? Oo, sa Salmian eh. Doon gani malapit sa Scientific Center. Lapit lang sa balay namon, ginalakat lang namon. Sure. When you want. Yalla, Tuesday lang ha. Ay! Get up, get up. What you're doing? Hurry, get up. Let me see how Alita stand. Come on. The super girl. Oh, oh, oh. Very fast. Oh, no. Good job. Watch out, ha? Slowly. Nami da lagaw laps was tani maof ko. Boss, Sabado man, boss. Hey, Eva, what you're doing? Don't do that. Get up. Sabado man, boss. Tuesday pa off ko. Hey, don't do that. Dungol. Dungol mo lang. Ay, ambot. Gingwa ko gani siya kay para makapoy, kay para pag abot sa balay matulog na lang dayon. Hey. Next time I will not bring you again. I will not bring you to the slide also. You're being naughty. You're being naughty. It's not the proper way. See your hand? So dirty. It's so yucky.
Mama, can I remove now?
Kalas na, we will go home.
No, I will slide.
No, mommy. It's so far. I'm tired to go there.
Please?
Please? Mapuli na kami kay gay na pa kami dire. Dapat sa iya gali love kapuyon mo gid.
Libo na.
Kapuyon ko gid siya kay kung hindi daw radyo bumbo ang kwarto bago matulugan. Ay, ambot.
Libo.
What I will do? Sit properly.
Libo.
Kabalo ni siya. Hambali-bala palangga ta ka. Ah, sorry. Your bilbil? Yeah, your bilbil is getting small.
Why?
Yeah, because you make exercise. Yeah.
Now I can bend. Look me. I can bend. Yeah, this.
Yeah, you can bend because your bilbil go. Kalas na
How is bend?
Yeah, not like that. Get up. Perti ka kusog ang hangin, oh. Okay, go.
Yeah.
Go na.
Next time I'll bring my bike.
No, I cannot carry your
I
bikey.
can help you.
You cannot help me.
No, I can bike, and I
You can bike only, but you cannot carry. Sit properly.
I can carry. I got muscle. Look.
Oh my God, so big muscle.
Yes. So I can cure it.
Why you got muscle?
Because why I'm eating healthy food.
You're eating healthy food?
Yes.
Tugnaw? Hindi man tugnaw. Ano lang siya, mahangin lang gid, kusog-subong hangin. Pero hindi pa siya tugnaw. What? Oh yes.
Look, I want to check my baby.
Hoy, 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 you're showing to them. Not nice.
You're saying it?
No, showing to them. Everyone is watching. Oh.
Show me.
Oh, they're there. Oh, tita. Say hi, tita. I cannot show you. You cannot see their face.
Why?
Because only you. Kalas, you're tired? Huh?
August night.
You're tired?
It's August night. About what this?
Don't show your legs. Mapuli na kami. Good night. Good night, love. Sige, tulog na kay ano na, midnight na. Mapuli naman kami, ah. Kaya si Baba papuli pa lang, on the way pa lang to. Need na naman magpuli man. Mommy, help me.
Huh?
Help me with your legs. Uh-oh. You can help me? Okay.
This is gift.
What?
I can't help. You cannot do it.
Come on, help me with the other feet. You know now? You know how to do?
Yeah.
Why?
Hmm?
Why you know?
What?
Why you know?
What I know?
How to remove?
I know because I'm already big.
You're already big? Good job.
Hurry also, Mom.
Wait, put this first. Oh.
I can help.
Good night, cat. Mami, tulog sa kuring. Good job, love.
I can help you.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, ala.
Look, here's almost finished.
Almost finished. Okay.
You remove this.
Ah, this one?
Yes. I can help you.
All right.
Mom, you need help.
Need help?
I'll go slide now. I can help you, Mom.
All right.
I can help you, Mom.
Again?
Yes. Just remove. Just
Push it. Yeah. Of course.
Right now, I want.
Oh, that. Again? The other one? Oh, no, me. Me. Kalas na. I will do. Oh, no. See?
What?
Uh-oh.
Yes.
Okay, put your slipper.
Now go slide.
Why?
What? You go there
Where?
and slide.
So far, love.
No problem. What? Look, you got bill.
It's not Bilbil.
Look, if you want to be tired here.
I don't want to be tired.
What? You want to go there?
No.
Or you want to eat only me? I want to slide alone.
I want to go rest.
Where?
Home.
No, you put it through. I'll go slide now. And you come.
No. See, Huggy will be there. You have no mama with you, Huggy will take you. Come help me first. Put in the bag.
And then you will come with me.
Yalla. Good job, love. Come on, put all. Good job. Good job. All right. Go wash your hand. Come
Here.
in the water here. You want to wash your hand in the sea?
Yes, and now it's
How you will wash your hand in the sea? Oh, so deep. Oh, so deep.
What?
The water is so deep.
Why?
Why?
Yes, I can swim or no?
No, not allowed here.
Okay, let's jump.
Don't go down. Dangerous.
Why?
You will broke your legs.
Where I will go now?
Go wash your hands here on the faucet. Come on, jump. Jump here. Jump. Good job. Ay! Ay! Sorry. Because you jumped. And I carry the bag. It's okay. Sorry
You
na.
do have this.
Yes.
Why?
It's not me. It's only the bag fell down. Okay, wash your hand from the faucet. Oh. You see the faucet? Here. Oh. Water. Ay! Ay! Come on, again. Again. It's so cold. Yala. Do, wash your hand nice. You're wet now? Maybe inside. Come here. Okay, come. Maybe it's luck already. Open. Come here.
What am I going to do?
Wash your hand. Okay, go.
Which bathroom is this?
Here, oh. Stand here so you can reach.
I got
Okay, go reach it. See? Just reach the water now. Oh. Yala. You can reach or no? Oh.
What is going on?
Okay. I will give you. Come on, wash properly. Nice. Let me see your hand. Now good?
Now
Again.
good, now good.
Are you sure? Let me see your hand. Good job. I'll push you. Wait. I'll push you back.
Okay. Push me.
Are you sure? Hold here.
I like that.
You like it? Go down. Jump. Jump. Come. Put in the sensor here. Two hands. No, not that. Don't touch anything. Like this. Kalas na. Okay, come on. Okay, going home. No, there is Huggy not there. You know, kids already go home? Huh? They already go home. Huggy and Kissy Missy there. Yalla. Yes. Who else? Yeah, who else? Okay, who else?
Nobody, only that.
Only that? Okay. Are you scared of them?
Yes.
Why?
Because look, their mouth is so sharp.
Oh, yeah, their teeth.
Yes, their teeth is so sharp.
Yeah. Kalas, we will go home now. Go walk nice.
Here.
Okay, say bye everyone now. We will go home. Come. Say bye everyone. Why? No. So Huggy will not come. Say bye everyone. Thank you. Okay. What you will say? Huh? Because I cannot see you. Ah, I catch your mommy. Watch out. I cannot run, you know? I cannot run. Wait for me. Wait for me. Uy. Buli mo, oh. Where's your buli? Ah, you touch your buli. Where's your kilikili? Kilikili. Where's my palangga? Where's my palangga, Eva? Palangga. Hulat ako ba? Hulat agani ko. Ha? What is that? What is that? That is Eva, shadow.
Mama.
Yes, shadow.